Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there was a little girl. She wore a red hood every day. Everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One morning, her mother gave her a basket. "Please take this to Grandma," she said. "She is sick. Walk carefully and stay safe." Little Red Riding Hood took the basket and headed out. She walked and walked. She felt happy and sang a song. Suddenly, a wolf came out from behind a tree. He spoke in a soft voice.
"Where are you going?"
asked the wolf.
"I'm going to see my grandma,"
she said.
"She lives on the other side of the forest."
The wolf smiled and hurried away. He ran very fast and reached Grandma's house first. He knocked at the door. "Who is there?" asked Grandma.
"It is your granddaughter, Little Red Riding Hood,"
answered the wolf in a soft voice. When Grandma opened the door, the wolf swallowed her whole. Grandma was safe inside him. The wolf put on Grandma's clothes. He climbed into her bed, pulled the blanket up, and waited. Soon, Little Red Riding Hood arrived. She knocked at the door.
"Come in,"
said the wolf in a soft voice. Little Red Riding Hood sat next to the bed.
"Grandma, why are your eyes so big?"
"So I can see you better."
"Grandma, why are your ears so big?"
"So I can hear you better."
"Grandma, why is your mouth so big?"
"So I can swallow you faster."
Before the wolf could say another word, a hunter rushed into the room.
"Stop!"
shouted the hunter. The wolf jumped out of the window and ran away very fast. The hunter helped Grandma come out safely, and they lived happily ever after.